Hey Nia, where you going?
To my old blacksmith shop. Now me and Kyle are moving in with you guys. I just need to get a few things.
Okay, cool. Need a hand?
No, thank you. I'll be back soon.
Well, hello, little girl. We've been expecting you.
May I remind you that it's private property and that trespassing is against Ninjago Law, paragraph 15, section 2?
Oh, I thought paragraph 13 was... Get her.
Don't lose your head now!
Hey Nia, don't you want to go out for oh Jay.
Hey Jay, miss me already?
Nia, did everything go okay?
Oh yeah, nothing to worry about.
Wyplash, what happened? I got my butt kicked by a girl.